Welcome to one of North America's most breathtaking natural wonders, Niagara Falls. If you think you know waterfalls, trust me, nothing compares to standing at the edge of these thundering giants. The sheer power and constant roar of the water, absolutely electrifying. I kicked off my adventure at the American side, right inside Niagara Falls State Park. Did you know it's the oldest state park in the US? There's this unbeatable view from Prospect Point where you can feel the mist on your face and watch rainbows dance in the spray. I couldn't resist hopping on the legendary Maid of the Mist boat tour. It's a wild ride. Imagine getting up close, almost right beneath the falls, with millions of gallons of water crashing down just feet away. You will get wet, but that's half the fun. Next up, Cave of the Winds. Picture this. You're wearing a bright yellow poncho and special sandals, inching closer on wooden walkways till you're literally standing beside Bridal Veil Falls. The hurricane deck is no joke. It's like stepping into a natural shower with wind and spray pounding all around you. It's exhilarating, a bit wild, and totally unforgettable. But there's more. Take a stroll along Goat Island for panoramic views or cross over to Luna Island for a quieter spot to soak it all in. I wrapped up my day with the Niagara Falls illumination. When the sun sets, the falls light up in vibrant colors. It's pure magic. So if you're craving adventure, jaw-dropping scenery, and a little splash of fun, Niagara Falls USA is calling your name. Pack your raincoat, bring your camera, and get ready for an experience you'll never forget.